you have to agree.
Yeah, let them grant
There
them.
is no violence. You are saying.
Yeah, we
There-
have Article 3 of the
But
Constitution
what
of
kind of
India.
there are different incidents happens in the Manipur, the violence, the suspension of operation you already know.
Yeah.
The suspension. Why the suspension of operation?
Why was Subhash Chandra Bose fighting for India? What did he
They are
say?
the Subhash Chandra
What
Bose.
was his statement?
Uh,
Give me blood, I will give you freedom. If
So
anyone,
what kind of freedom from India?
yeah, freedom from the clutch of the Meiteis.
You are saying the freedom from India.
No, free from.
Mehta is not in hill area. Mehta
Yeah.
is not in
Yeah.
hill area. Hill area is yours.
Out of 60 MLA Legislative Assembly, 60% the Meiteis, 10 only the cookies.
Okay.
See how politically we have been.
You can demand the more seats for you. You can demand the more seats. You are now saying sometimes ago you are saying that the separate administration. Now you are saying the Cookie Land.
We have history.
Cookie Land is destroying. Where is Cookie Land?
See, we have a
Cookie
history.
Land is does not exist now. Cookie Land does not exist now. It's a term used by the Mehta. And now you are saying that Mehta is alligating every time that
See.
you are demanding the Cookie Land. Now you are saying
Listen to me, please.
okay. You can.
We have a history of demanding for the implementation of Article 371C. Over 30-40 years, we have been demanding for effective
is the different
implementation.
thing.
But
Definitely.
it's not been implemented.
That-
Had it been implemented, this situation would not have been transpired this far. So, the best thing to get away from the clutch of the Meiteis, majoritarian government, is to demand for a separate administration in the form of UT of judiciary format.
You are saying that the separate administration, the name of the particular area will be Cookie Land.
Yeah.
You are saying.
Cookie Land, yeah, it has to be Cookie Land. What else? Has it to be Bharat UT or Manipuri UT? Or what else would it be, you think?
When you think about the UT, the central will govern
Yeah, it has to govern directly from the center.
center.
Now, we have been suppressed for the last 40 years now by the majoritarian Meiteis.
You believe in central?
Yeah, we believe in center.
You
We-
believe in Modi?
Not a single belief we are pinning on the state. Now our hope pins now on the center. Unless the center intervenes, we are gone.
Can the extremist people down their guns? Because
So
every
long,
time.
that's good question.
Uh.
So long as
I'm
the-
not saying about the Cookie and Mehta. I'm saying the
yeah.
extremist
Yeah.
people is all over there.
Yeah.
They are
So long,
they are killing the people, innocent people, even from Cookie communities, even from Mehta communities. All are killing.
so
even
long,
women's,
so long,
children's-
so long as the private militia of CM Biren, which you call Arambai Tengor, so long as they hold.
They are saying Cookie militant. You are saying CM Viren militia.
Yeah, they are the private militia, Arambai Tengor. As long as they are holding their guns, we have to hold the
It means
whatever.
It means you
traditional
both have
guns that
their
we
own. It means you both have your own argument that they have the gun. That's why we have the gun.
See,
Nobody will believe in the.
you have good knowledge that they have looted 7,000 arms, over 5-6 lakhs ammunition. It's the state.
There is some news. Is it true or not? It is depend on the perception. But there is some news that the in the Cookie areas they have the mortars, they have the rocket launchers, they have the drones. We have these news from the newspapers and media.
Yeah.
What would you like to say about this?
So far, I'm not aware whether we have drone or not, but I'm aware that we have
Some weapons.
cannon. You know cannon?
You
Yeah, that's traditional made cannon.
okay? Cannon.
That's cannon.
You have a cannon.
Yeah, cannon. That's the best ever machine or guns that we can manufacture.
What
So,
will you do with these weapons?
yeah, it's very explosive and see, it has a very good historical significance. Even with this traditional gun, more than 100 years ago, 1970, 1919, with this machine, with this gun, we fought against the British. Just think of
No,
a tribal.
that is the history, na.
Yeah, we have. Now we have.
In India, in Delhi, we don't have gun.
Yeah,
Why you have gun?
Because the
Why the-
Mumbai Tangors, they
Okay.
shoot at us. See, do you ever see a Cookie volunteer dying in the land of the Meiteis? No.
Yes.
No. And
Several incidents is there.
that innocent women only you will see in Imphal Valley. They were killed, but you will see a lot of Arambai Tengol volunteers dying in the land of the cookies. That means they
They
encroach.
are alleging that you kidnap them and kill their.
Never at all, yeah. You come and see inside the land of the cookies.
But that is the hill area. Why they came here?
Yeah,
Why
they encroach,
came here?
they encroach the land. That's why we shoot in defense of our land.
You are talking about the Churchanpur?
Not only Churachandpur,
Ah.
Kangpokpi, More, Tingnopal, Chandel, everywhere, wherever the cookies are there.
One more and last question. You have admitted that there is some poppy cultivation, illegal poppy cultivation.
I don't admit. I am not aware. I have been here for the last 5 years ago. I have not been to there.
You are saying
village.
there is no poppy cultivation?
I don't say it's not there, but I'm not aware.
Not aware.
Yeah, I'm a student here. I'm deeply committed to my study.
So you are not aware.
I'm not
Or
aware at
you are
all.
raising the issue.
I'm not raising the issue.
You are not aware. You are raising the issue.
No, it's not about poppy cultivation that we are raising. We are raising about the issue of land.
You are saying that destroy cookie land.
Yeah, they destroy cookie land. They are trying to
It
encroach.
may be meaningful that destroys cookies community, but you are saying that destroys.
You should be aware that we have good natural resources. That's the reason they are trying to exploit the land. Not only the natural resources like trees,
But
stones.
at the legal term, they cannot take your land.
Yeah, they cannot take so.
So
to
who
take-
will who is destroying?
to be in a position to take their lands, they are demanding for ST status.
Okay,
That's the main position. That's the primary. That's the immediate cause.
you are saying that third of I think May.
Yeah, that's the primary cause for demanding ST status. There was even
It was your march, na? It was not the Metai march.
yeah, it was our march.
Your march
I was
and-
solidarity in